Today, we have some exciting news about the upcoming Google Pixel 9 series. With Google's hardware event just around the corner on August 13th, the rumor mill is buzzing with new leaks, and we've got some fresh renders to unpack. Let's dive in. Recently, new renders of the Google Pixel 9 and Pixel 9 Pro XL have surfaced, giving us a glimpse of what's to come. The Pixel 9 Pro XL is being positioned as the true successor to the Pixel 8 Pro, while the Pixel 9 Pro shares the same size as the Pixel 8 and Pixel 9, but with the internal specs of the Pixel 9 Pro XL. This new naming scheme might take some getting used to, so let's break it down. Google is launching 4 new smartphones: the Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro, Pixel 9 Pro XL, and Pixel 9 Pro Fold. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold is the successor to last year's original Pixel Fold, which makes sense. However, the other 3 models might require a bit of explanation. The Pixel 9 is the standard model, the Pixel 9 Pro is the mid-tier model with some pro features, and the Pixel 9 Pro XL is the high-end model of all the bells and whistles. This lineup offers something for everyone, from casual users to tech enthusiasts. Pricing for the Pixel 9 series is still a bit of a mystery. Some versions are expected to cost the same as their predecessors, while others might see price increases. It's going to be interesting to see how this plays out when Google officially announces the new phones. Will the new features justify the potential price hikes? Only time will tell. As for the new renders, they don't reveal much that we didn't already know. The Pixel 9 will have one less camera than the Pixel 9 Pro and Pixel 9 Pro XL. All 3 models sport a redesigned camera island on the back. The camera specs themselves were detailed in a rumor last week, and it looks like Google is continuing to focus on photography with its Pixel lineup. The Pixel 9 Pro and Pixel 9 Pro XL are expected to have superior camera setups, making them the go-to choices for photography enthusiasts. The redesigned camera island on the back is a noticeable change. While the Pixel 9 will have one less camera than its Pro counterparts, all models are expected to deliver exceptional photography experiences. Google's commitment to improving its camera technology is evident, and we can't wait to see the results. Whether you're a casual photographer or a professional, the Pixel 9 series promises to deliver. All of the new Pixel 9 phones are expected to be powered by Google's next-generation Tensor G4 chipset. This should bring some improvements in performance and efficiency compared to the previous generation. The Tensor G4 is Google's in-house silicon, and it's clear that they're making a push to improve it. While we have to wait and see how it stacks up against the competition, the potential for enhanced performance is exciting. The upcoming launch event on August 13th should give us a clearer picture of what to expect from the Pixel 9 series. Until then, we'll have to rely on leaks, rumors, and whatever reveals Google sees fit to share with us ahead of time. The anticipation is building, and we can't wait to get our hands on these new devices. That's it for today's video. The Google Pixel 9 series is shaping up to be one of the most exciting releases of the year. With a new naming scheme, redesigned camera islands, and the next-generation Tensor G4 chipset, there's a lot to look forward to. What are your thoughts on the new Pixel 9 series? Let us know in the comments section below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates. As always, see you in the next video. We've got some exciting news about Samsung's upcoming foldable smartphones. If you're a tech enthusiast, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this one. We're talking about the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 6 series, and more specifically, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra, which is rumored to be coming to China and Korea. Let's dive right in. Among the many Galaxy Z Fold 6 models that are currently in development in Samsung's labs, the one that has everyone buzzing is the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Now, if you're familiar with Samsung's Ultra-branded smartphones, you know they are designed to be the best of the best, offering high-end features and cutting-edge technology. While the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to bring some minor incremental upgrades, all eyes are undoubtedly on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. However, here's the catch. The Ultra isn't expected to get a global release. But don't worry, it seems this powerhouse of a device won't be restricted to just Samsung's home country, South Korea. According to the folks over at Android Headlines, Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra could also be launching in China. This is particularly interesting because it seems the rumored Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, which we've been hearing about with its slimmer body, bigger displays, and larger battery, might actually be the Chinese variant of the Fold 6 Ultra. If this is true, it would clear up some of the confusion we've seen in recent weeks about how many models Samsung is actually working on. It might just be 2. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. The Ultra, limited to Korea and China for now, would allow Samsung to gauge interest levels before potentially bringing it to a wider audience. In China, the Z Fold 6 Ultra may be sold as the Samsung Galaxy U25, complete with unique visual touches like decorative engravings on the hinge, similar to previous Samsung Galaxy smartphones. And here's another interesting tidbit. China might also get the Galaxy Z Flip 6 as the W25 Flip. This is speculative at this point, but it aligns with rumors that Samsung is also working on a Galaxy Z Flip 6 Slim. Now, unfortunately, there isn't a lot of detailed information about what exactly the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra will offer compared to the Z Fold 6. This is probably because the Ultra model isn't launching alongside the standard model, but we can expect more details to emerge once the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 goes official at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event next month. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked events are always full of surprises, and we can't wait to see what they have in store for us this time. Will the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra live up to the hype? Will it bring groundbreaking features that set it apart from the standard model? Only time will tell. To be an upgrade. While rumors suggest a larger display and a slimmer design, the lack of S Pen support might be a deal breaker for some users. Ross Young also mentioned that production for the Z Fold 6 Ultra's display panels might begin later this year, with a launch expected in January alongside the Galaxy S25. This staggered release makes sense. It avoids competing with the July launch of the regular Fold 6 and keeps the Ultra exclusive to South Korea for now, which might frustrate international buyers. Speaking of launches, rumors suggest the next Galaxy Unpacked event might be happening on July 10th in Paris, France. However, Tipster eLeaks' list of expected reveals didn't include the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Does this mean no Fold 6 Ultra this year? Probably not. eLeaks' list might only include devices launched. A leaked photo a few days ago looks a bit cheap and out of place on a flagship smartphone, expected to cost over $1,500. The device in the picture also appears to be wider than the current Galaxy Z Fold models, suggesting that Samsung is increasing the display size. However, the screens won't be significantly bigger. Samsung is reportedly saving the major display size upgrade for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra and Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim models, which are rumored to launch alongside the standard Z Fold 6 this year. Now, let's move to the front. The first hands-on image of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is leaked and reveals that Samsung has finally listened to Galaxy Z Fold users. The new foldable phone will feature a wider cover screen compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Reliable tipster Ice Universe shared this full image showing the front of the device and comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. As you can see, the upcoming foldable phone will have a wider cover screen that matches the width of the Galaxy Z Fold 5's cover screen plus one of its bezels. This wider cover screen should improve the typing experience on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and resolve aspect ratio issues in some apps and games. The new foldable also appears to have much sharper corners for both the body and the cover screen. A tipster shared a photo that seems to show a new camera module for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Although the leak only indicates that the camera module will feature a new design, it's doubtful Samsung would implement a design change without also upgrading the camera hardware. Here we have the first look at the new Galaxy Z Fold 6 outer display. A Twitter user named Ali recently shared a render comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. According to Ali, the new outer display features a boxier design and a slimmer hinge, significantly enhancing a Fold 6 overall appearance. The most noticeable difference between the Fold 5 and Fold 6 is the wider cover display. The render clearly shows. What do you think about these changes? Are you excited about the wider cover screen and new design? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.